In order to help convey the unique value of the reverse mortgage as a purchase loan, I'm going to share a not uncommon, but actually a hypothetical scenario where a reverse mortgage as a purchase loan does not need to be used, but when used will provide and does provide value both to the borrower and to their family. All right, so let's hop right in. We're going to call our borrower Christina because my wife's name is Christina. She's 67 years old. She's been in her current home for 22 years. The home value is currently $650,000. She has a mortgage balance on that home of $100,000. And if she were to sell today with a 9% cost of sale, her net proceeds would be about $491,500. She is currently retired. She's not working. She has a monthly income of $1,900 and she has a monthly debt. So she's got a car payment of $350. The balance on that car is $10,000. Her challenges right now are kind of twofold, two and a half actually. So she is in a home that's too big for her, lots of bedrooms, lots of stairs, upstairs, downstairs, basement. And she also has a mortgage payment that she's still making. And she's got an automobile payment and she's only making $1,900 a month. So there is a little bit of a cash flow challenge. So one of the solutions that she could do is she could just sell her house, take her $491,000, go find a smaller house and pay all cash. That would get her out of her monthly house payment, and that would get her out of the house that may not be terribly safe to live in for the next 10, 15, 20 years. To add a little bit of detail to this scenario, this borrower, Christina, she also has a family. She's got a son and he has a wife and they have a couple of kids and they live relatively close, but they'd like to be closer to mom and she would like them to be closer to her as well. So instead of selling her house and paying all cash, what she could do is she could find a home that's in the area. I hopped on the MLS and I found a really nice house in Pierce County. It's currently listed for $700,000. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with a detached accessory dwelling unit. So what she could do is she could take her proceeds and buy that house with a reverse for purchase. Her cash to close with her age and today's rates would be about $473,000. That would allow her to get out of the house she's in now that has the stairs and is too big, get in and move into this house and actually move into the detached accessory dwelling unit, which has no stairs. And she can also then invite her son and his family to move into the single family home. Now, they all live in this property. There is no required mortgage payment. They will have to make property taxes, pay the property taxes and the homeowner's insurance. But big win for our borrower because now she has no more house payment, she has no more stairs, and she gets to live close to the family and they get to live close to her. So it's a win for the family as well because they don't have to drive to see mom. And whatever situation they were in, whether it was a rental or they owned the house, now they can get out of that and move in with mom. And they also have a bit of a cash flow solution there for themselves as well. That's it. That is one way that a family or a borrower that does not need to use a reverse for purchase could use a reverse for purchase. And that would then provide both short-term cash flow benefits, short-term and long-term lifestyle benefits, and also potentially a enhanced legacy plan for her son and their family. If you or anyone you know is in a situation like this, owns a home, over 60 years old, significant amount of equity, but the house is just not the right fit for you or for them, please give me a call. We can talk through their situation and find out if there is a solution available for them via a reverse mortgage as a purchase loan.